A great result for Nice. PSG not at the races throughout the whole tie. Let's just remind you how bad PSG have been to start this season, because when you look at the table, you've got to go to third, but the fact they've only got 8 points from their opening 5 matches, you think by the end of this week they could be in the bottom half of the French table. Frank Leboeuf is French and lives in Paris, so he's going to talk to us about this. Frank, this is terrible.
It is terrible because you're Paris, and with the player that you have, even if you lost the almighties Messi and Neymar, you should be able to win every game. But that's football, and I don't know what's going on in the dressing room. I don't know what's going on with Enrique. The players that you see there should be able to sort out the problem with Nice. But Nice is a good team. Nice is second in the table, and you have some good players over there. So I don't know. Ugarte, and I put that Ugarte as one of the best transfer right now, was on the bench. Colomwani was on the bench. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if some players are injured or not fit enough. But I didn't see the best team playing for Paris Saint-Germain tonight. So that might be the reason why it wasn't good enough to beat Nice.
It wasn't like PSG had a million chances, Stevie.
No.
We're just knocking on the door. It's just one of those days.
No.
They didn't create chances, and every time Nice went forward, they looked vulnerable.
That's just exactly what I was going to say.
Well done, Dan.
Absolutely. I mean, in a nutshell...
Thank you, bye-bye.
Yeah, that's it.
I mean, in a nutshell, unless it was Mbappe, you didn't think they were going to score.
Yeah.
And then defensively, they couldn't defend... Oh, hold on a minute. Somebody just said that.
Exactly.
You just said that.
So who do we blame now?
Eh?
Who do we blame now? Because Neymar is gone.
Let's blame Frank.
Oh, okay. Well,
Let's blame Frank for watching the Bayer Leverkusen game and not the PSG game.